Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I am a single mom and I have two kids, one special needs and one, well, they're both teenagers. So a 16 and an 18-year-old, and I am doing my budget for September 1st, which was Labor Day weekend. And I got paid. Now I know that it's a little bit after Labor Day. I'm going to try to get this out as soon as I can. I just got back and I've been swamped with work, so life. Life, man. So I hope that you guys had a very, very good Labor Day. I was in New Jersey, so I went straight to the ATM. I did my budget at work and I just picked up my kids and drove. So I never really got time to film this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing it now. So the most important thing that I did was I kind of separated things based on what I needed for the week. Now this check was a bonus check, so I do get 5 checks this month because all of my bills were paid before the 1st. They were paid with my last check. This one, it was either you start it now or you could use it and then just, you know, you have 4 after this, which will come before the 1st and you'll still be fine. So I chose this one to be my bonus check. So I got paid $556, which is what I get paid every week unless I'm out for some reason. So with gas money, this was actually gas money for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and put $50. Now this right here is going to be my variable expenses. So my fixed expenses are the bills. I pay them weekly for 4 weeks. And then I turn them in. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope it does. So because this was a bonus month, I don't really have to worry about the bills. Kind of wanted to, but we all know that when you're going on vacation you're not thinking about bills. So again, bonus check. So that is very bad though. Don't do what I do, just do what I say, or I don't know, just watch my my weird things, failures and stuff that I do, and then just learn from my mistakes. Okay, so gas money was getting $50. This is my wallet. I'm just going to go ahead and just do that. Okay, for groceries, my grocery budget is going to be $100. Now this includes money that I am going to be spending down there because I will be down there for a while. My grandmother usually doesn't have food in her house, so because she doesn't have food, I buy stuff. So that's like soda, it's, you know, Gatorade, it's breakfast stuff. For house, this is just in case I need anything like toilet paper before we leave or when we come back. So that is $5. For pets, my pets are going to be getting $10 because their food has now gone up to $17, $18 a bag. So yes, dining out is going to be getting $10. And this one right here is because sometimes I'm human and I forget my lunch, and so I have to run across the street and get a sandwich or something. Miscellaneous is just in case something happens. So that one is going to be $5. And bus is a new category. So the bus category is basically because my kids are now in school. Every single week they're gonna have to like take their bus pass and put money on it, so that way they can take the bus from school every day. I bring them to school, but they unfortunately get out at like 2 and I don't get out until 4, and I'm like 30 minutes away. So I want to be able to get them in time. They'd be waiting there for like 3 hours. So I am now putting the budget, or I'm now budgeting for their bus passes, so that is in there. So that is the variable, and now this one right here are just going to be like sinking funds. This is what I'm choosing to spend the rest of my money on this month. Now I do have sinking funds. I have a couple of envelopes and it changes every here and there. I'm already getting tired of all the stuff that I'm trying to save for because I need a lot of things, but I don't have a lot of money, so it takes a very long time. And when you're kind of like splitting things up constantly, you know, like, here's $3 and here's $4. By the time you get to like the amount that you need, half the time you're like, I either already went out and bought it or I don't care anymore, which is kind of good. But right now, my biggest expense was $150, and this one right here was going for New Jersey. So this one right here includes tolls. It includes like if we decided to go to Jackson, so we could go to Six Flags. If we went to Seaside, I ended up going to Seaside, and I spent $50 and a pass for me and my daughter so we could do all the rides and stuff. So let's see, gas money, this is just extra, and this is $60. Emergency, now this right here is, I'm going to take this emergency with me, or I should say, because I'm back from this vacation. This is what my mindset was, but I was taking $50 just in case something happened. You never know. But this money right here going straight into my emergency fund. Like, that is where that is going. Not touchable. It's not an option. This is what that money is for. If it's not used, then it's going to be placed there. And then sinking funds is going to be getting $100. And right now, this is going to be for that concert that we are going to in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So I do zero-based budgets every single week, so hopefully this will add up. It's a very short budget this week, but I do what I got to, you know. So, how was your Labor Day? Hope that you guys had a very, very good day. I like when I go and see my family. I'm trying to, like, spend more time with them. Now everything right here equaled $560. So that means that I have went over a little bit, but I always have like random ones and stuff hanging over. So I'm over by $4, which is not a big deal because I'm pretty sure I have like $4 sitting somewhere. So this total right here is going to be $560. Again, I am over $4 over, but to be honest with you, I'm gonna give you a little spoiler, and I did amazing on my budget. Don't tell anybody, because that video is coming up soon, and then you're gonna be like, wow, Dana, you're still a mess. And I'm like, I don't know, nothing has changed. But do you see all the money that I have saved right here? Because I didn't spend all this money, because I am frugal. I hope that's the word. But I'm doing really good with these budgeting and dealing with cash. So like I said, even though this is after the first, I want to continue it so that way I can hold myself accountable, because I don't want to lose the momentum that I'm doing right now. Even though like my bullet journals, like, oh my god, they got so messed up, and like I basically am not even going to be bullet journaling for all of September because it's just a mess. I'm just starting straight to October. But I will be doing this if I have to do it on a piece of paper. If I have to do it on a napkin, I'm going to be budgeting on a napkin because I need to hold myself accountable. But I am going to go because I'm getting weird looks from my daughter.
No, like, I'm pretty sure you carry around a piece of paper literally every single place you go.
Yes.
So why would you need to be doing that on a napkin?
I don't know. Sometimes I'm in my car and I'm like, napkins from McDonald's. I knew they were handy. That's why I needed 1,000 of them. So I save every single one. You guys save napkins from McDonald's, right? Yep. They all said yes. Are you judging them too?
I don't judge you for that. What I'm saying is, why you gonna be writing shit down on a napkin?
Why are you swearing?
No, you know how flimsy napkins are?
Oh my god, go away. So anyway, guys, I am gonna...
No, I ain't going away. I'm staying. In fact, I'm putting on your lap.
Alright, do my exit. This is what happens when you have kids. And she's 16. She's not like 5 or 6. She's not like the cute ones that run around.
Don't have kids. They're mistakes.
Don't say that. Why would you say that to people? Oh my god.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You better be kidding. You better apologize and tell people to subscribe.
I'm sorry. Subscribe to my channel to Mama's channel so I can eat.
I don't even get paid for this.
That's why they should subscribe.
Oh my god, guys. Alright, I will see you guys later. I'm so sorry.
Subscribe so I can eat.
Oh god.
She doesn't feed us. She wants us to die. But you subscribe.
Why did you say that? Now everybody's gonna think I'm a horrible parent.
No, she's not. She's a good parent. She's taking me to a concert.
Yeah, and then I just slashed our food budget so we could go. They're gonna be like, oh, I see what's happening. She starves her kids. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I'm so sorry. I hope that you stayed to the end. My life is chaotic. This is what it is. We all thought it was gonna be a good, quiet video. Alright.
Joke's on you.
Oh my god, Avery.
Your expectations don't go like they seem.
Alright guys, I will see you later. Have a very, very, very good day. Bye.